Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be talking about how you can start digital marketing. So this video is we'll be talking about digital marketing for beginners, how you can make use of digital marketing to leverage extra income for yourselves. In today's video, we will look into how you can set up how to make use of your mindset. It all starts with a mindset. How you can make use of your mindset to be able to think of how you can leverage the digital marketing to be able to make extra income for yourself. We will look into how email marketing, how you can make use of email marketing to make extra income. It will also talk about the volume 1 also talks about CapCut, SEO optimization, UGC for beginners. So UGC stands for user generated content. It's the volume 1 also talks about affiliate marketing, how you can upskill and learn information on affiliate marketing to generate income for yourselves, how you can make use of content creation to make extra income, Canva editing, how you can make use of Canva to generate income for yourselves, how you can set up automations. So you learn how to make use of setting up automations such as if for example, if a message is being sent to you on social media, say for example WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or any social media platforms, how you can set up automations to be able to reply your to reply buyers. It's this volume also talks about PLR to profit. It gives you information on how you can profit with PLR. And it also talks about blueprint for creating your own digital income. You will also be learning about AI and automations, personal and business credit, how you can file in your taxes and finance, networking marketing, and so on. So as you can see, there is a lot to learn under the volume 1 of this video. Now, to be able to do this, to be able to avail of more information on everything I've quickly gone through, all you have to do is to click on the link on my YouTube bio. The link with the Digital City, the first link, it will take you through information on how you can get more information on this on everything that I've talked about just now. So again, all you have to do is to click on the link on my YouTube bio. The first link on my YouTube bio will take you through the page that you'll be able to set up, you'll be able to avail of all this information. It's under the DBA volume 1. It gives you information. You'll be able to go through all these things, and you'll be able to get information on how you can leverage digital marketing to be able to generate extra income and extra funds for yourself. Now, do not hesitate to comment, like, and share this video, and if at all there's any information or any questions you have, do not hesitate to ask. And yes, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Take care for now. Bye.